A lot of chefs want to be known by the flavors, by the style, but without consistency, it's impossible. Consistency is the most important tool in the kitchen.
Sous vide gives me a lot of flexibility.
It allows the cooks not having to, say grill 200 chicken breasts. They get to concentrate more on the application of that chicken breast, on the sauces, on how they're going to dish up, how they're going to use the product.
You can add your own identity into the product. So if you want it to be Peruvian flavors, you make it taste like that. If you want to be Caribbean flavors, you make it taste like that. That's the opportunity that we have as a chefs to be creative, not only with a raw product, but something that is already sous vide that you can add your own touch.
The product comes in cooked and frozen. We can use it readily as needed. We're able to handle a lot of last-minute bookings. We can really plan. If we have a lunch for 40 with 40 sandwiches, we know we need 6 turkey breasts. If it all of a sudden goes down, we don't have those raw turkey breasts in-house that we have to use somewhere else. It's a much better product.
With Cuisine Solutions, your shelf life is a lot longer. So it gives you the opportunity to actually extend the life of that item and be able to cook only what you need. You have a lot of controls, allows to have waste control, temperature control, which helps us with safety, and it's always moist.
These days, kitchens have less people in them than they used to, and it is a labor savings all the way around.
The product comes to me pasteurized, pretty much ready to go, and it allows me to teach the cooks to reheat it in a different process. And sous vide is a technique that allows us to have a lot of controls, but once you use it, it's pretty straightforward.
To teach them what a really good, consistent, moist product looks like, so they recognize what is nicely cooked and what is not, helps the cooks get more creative.
I challenge my cooks to create something with something that is already well cooked. I want them to take it from the beginning to something great.
Try to use the products that could possibly replace something that you're using at the time, and get your cooks to do a side-by-side tasting, but get everybody in the kitchen involved to learn and see how it replaces something that's a little more difficult to use.
My favorite sous vide product is the 72-hour short rib.
The roast turkey breast.
They do an ossobuco that is very, very nicely done.
The Wagyu brisket.
Challenge the process, challenge yourself to see how you can enhance your menu.
And as a chef, you gotta be open-minded to different flavors, to different trends. And at the end of the day, the most important is the result of that final product.
For an artist, it would be an empty canvas, and then you just build on top of it.